Hello guys, so today is day 11 of my documenting channel. So today is Monday. So today I'm not going for a college. Instead of college I'm going to do London session. I have take the bath, done my breakfast. I will see you on my setup. As you can see guys, here is the POV 1 hours in USD. So I'm just waiting to come the market till here. So from here I will try for the selling. Also I have sent this signal in the community. As you can see, wait. So I'm not going to trade in Euro USD because mostly it is inside this daily FAG. It is so far around here. From this FAG the market has take the rejection. Right. So as you can see, the market has given the nice rejection. So guys, I just show you the GBP USD analysis. So I'm not going to trade Euro USD because, as I told, it is getting a rejection from the 1 days FAG. So once my alert get hits in GBP USD, I will let you know. Bye.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone. It's so cold outside, I'm alone. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up.
Hello guys, so I just completed my work, completed my task. Only 1 or 2 tasks are remaining. So now I have come to the run. After completing my run, I will do meditation. Also I will shoot some kickboxing videos here. And then I will see you directly on my setup. Bye. So hello guys, I have just completed my run, done my dinner, also done my task. So currently the time is around 10:30. So now I'm going for a sleep because I want to wake up early tomorrow. There is some important work. I will try to shoot that work and I will tell you about what's the work tomorrow. So if you enjoy this documentary, please hit the like button, share button and subscribe button. Bye.